Hi, and welcome to this tips and tricks videos. My name is Anton from Premium Plus, and I'm here to tell you about ticket redaction in Zendesk. Ticket redaction allows you to hide sensitive information sent by customers in Zendesk. It removes it completely from Zendesk, so it's not findable in search anymore, and it is irreversible. So once redacted, you will never be able to find it again or make it appear again. Good to know that it also works for images that were sent as attachments in tickets. So how do we use it in Zendesk? If you're on a ticket, you go to the upper left, select the three dots, which are the additional actions, select redact, and it will automatically select the whole message. Next, you select the text or numbers you want to mark for redaction. See there's a button appearing on top. Just select it, so now it's marked. Same for this one, for instance, mark for redaction. You can mark as much as you like. If you have an image, you just select it as well. And then to confirm, you select redact, and Zendesk will automatically redact the information. So this information is now no longer searchable and will forever be removed from Zendesk. So that's all on our ticket redaction. Thanks for watching and see you next time.